I have nothing to wear. Hello my loves. I had the idea to make a casual dress out of the swimsuit pattern. Why? Because I needed a dress to wear at home around doing chores and stuff, not caring about it being dirty. Because the thing is, it's so hot. It's so hot outside. It's like 40 degrees Celsius, and I cannot bear to wear something that is a beautiful dress, which I have many of, but I honestly cannot wear them outside in the heat and do chores and do stuff around the house. And I also need to wear something that is presentable. So I had that light bulb moment, and you know what? It turned out to be so easy. And last but not least, I used up some fabric that I had in my stash that was just left over from other projects that I didn't know what to do with it because it was so little that I couldn't use it for a full dress. But it was perfect for this project, and I kind of puzzled the pieces together. So if this sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching. This is another fabric that I had in my stash of kind of bigger scraps. As you can see, it can barely fit the whole pattern, which is not the whole pattern. Basically, it's just the pieces of the dress. This one was supposed to be placed on fold, but there's no space if I place it on fold. So I'm just gonna have to make a seam in the middle, but because it's plaid, maybe I can get away with it. Oh, and I also have a few bits left as well. So I'll probably get the collar, I'll get probably the shoulder strap. Leo, 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 Leo. give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. My next video will be a DIY for decor and some things about my cottage, but I would really like to know what you would like to see from me. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!